हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है प्रशांत और मैं आप सभी लोगों का आपके अपने YouTube चैनल वीपीएस एजुकेशन में स्वागत करता हूं। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज का ये वीडियो हर उस एस्पिरेंट के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है जो 2022 में होने वाले किसी भी एग्जाम्स को क्रैक करना चाहता है, चाहे वो एसएससी का हो, रेलवे का हो, बैंकिंग सेक्टर का हो या फिर यूपीएससी का एग्जाम क्यों ना हो। ये वीडियो उन सभी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हम और आप मिलकर 1 जनवरी से लेकर 31 मार्च तक की सारे करंट अफेयर्स के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को कवर कर लेंगे और शायद ही इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपको कोई और वीडियो देखने की जरूरत पड़े या फिर कोई और नोट्स बनाने की जरूरत पड़े, क्योंकि आज की वीडियो में हम जितने भी क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे उन सभी क्वेश्चंस की पीडीएफ आप लोगों को हमारे चैनल के टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का लिंक आप लोगों को वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आप लोगों को खुद नोट्स बनाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी, क्योंकि आज हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट 1600 से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस को कवर करेंगे और शायद ऐसा वीडियो यूट्यूब पर अभी तक किसी ने अपलोड नहीं किया है। इस वीडियो में ऑलमोस्ट 1600 क्वेश्चन से ज्यादा टॉप सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस किया गया है। हम लोग सारे क्वेश्चंस को डेट वाइज डिस्कस करेंगे, तो कोई भी टॉपिक आपका मिस नहीं होगा और कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपका मिस नहीं होगा। तो लेट ना करते हुए देखते हैं आज का अपना पहला क्वेश्चन जो है 1 जनवरी का। उत्तराखंड चीफ मिनिस्टर पुष्कर सिंह धामी inaugurated सुरई इकोसिस्टम जोन एंड काकरा क्रोकोडाइल ट्रायल एट विच प्लेस। यहाँ पे आपको 4 ऑप्शंस मिले हुए हैं। ऑप्शंस आर खतीमा, पीलीभीत, चमोली और हरिद्वार। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका खतीमा। खतीमा ही वो प्लेस है जहां पे पुष्कर सिंह धामी ने जो है इनॉग्रेट किया था सुरई इकोसिस्टम को और काकरा क्रोकोडाइल ट्रायल को। मूविंग टू अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रपोजल ऑफ रीअपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ whom as a MD and CEO is approved by Equitas Small Finance Bank Board of Directors। यहां पे आपको 4 ऑप्शंस मिले, वसुदेवन पठानगिरी नरसिम्हन, मुरली विद्यानाथन, श्रीधरन ननुय्यर एंड धीरज मोहन। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है वासुदेवन पठानगिरी नरसिम्हन। इन्हीं को जो है MD और CEO अप्रूव किया गया था एक्वेंटिस स्मॉल बैंक फाइनेंस के द्वारा। लेट्स सी अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Which country will chair Counter Tourism Committee of UNSC in January 2022? The options are China, Afghanistan, India and Laos। तो यहां पे इसका करेक्ट आंसर है इंडिया। Moving to our next question, which ministry had launched 14 honey farmer producer organizations, जिसको हम लोग FPOs भी बोल देते हैं। तो यहां पे 4 ऑप्शंस हम लोग को गिवन है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स। मूविंग टू अवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच प्रोटीन सब यूनिट कोविड वैक्सीन गेट्स DCGI अप्रूवल फॉर यूज इन इंडिया इन December 2021? The options are Bicov 2A, Zicov D, Novavax and Corbevax. And the right answer is Corbevax. Let's see our next question. 356 kilometer long multi-product pipeline which was inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi. It is from Bina Refinery MP to which terminal? The options are Rani Kamlapati Bhopal, Gandhinagar Gujarat, Panki Kanpur and M Vishwarya Bengaluru. And the right answer is option C, Panki Kanpur. Who has been appointed to the post of Director General and Chief Executive Officer of Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs IICA? The options are Rajiv Ahuja, Samir Sharma, Praveen Kumar and Baldev Prakash. And the right answer is Praveen Kumar. Moving to our next question, which Indian naval ship delivered 500-ton food to Mozambique under Mission Sagar? The options are INS Kesari, INS Kolkata, INS Talwar and IS Magar. And the right answer is INS Kesari. DRDO has handed over technologies to 5 private firms for production of cold weather clothing and armed forces. Who is the chairman of the DRDO? The options are K. Sivan, G. Satish Reddy, CP Ramnarayan and Chetan Chavan. And the right answer is G. Satish Reddy. G. Satish Reddy ही इस समय DRDO के चेयरमैन हैं। Let's see our next question. Who has been appointed as a Deputy National Security Advisor NSA in the National Security Council Secretariat? The options are Vikram Misri, Pankaj Saran, Rajendra Khanna and Datta Pant Salgikar. And the right answer is Vikram Mishra. Moving to our next question. Which hypersonic missile was launched by Russia recently? The options are Agni, Shrikon, Avangard and AGM-86 ACLM. And the right answer is Shrikon. Translumia, an international cardiovascular device company which set up Asia's largest heart valve manufacturing facility at Visakhapatnam. Translumia is originally from which company? Which country? The options are Russia, Germany, USA and Finland. The right answer is Germany. Let's see our next question. Which state government has partnered with NPCA and State Bank of India to enable e-rupee payment solution to students under its scholarship program? And the options are Karnataka, Rajasthan, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And the right answer is Karnataka. Which actor is appointed as a brand ambassador of cattle feed range of Nurature? And the options are Amitabh Bachchan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Pankaj Tripathi and Ranveer Singh. And the right answer is Pankaj Tripathi. Moving to our next question. According to RBI's report, what is the gross non-performing asset GNPA ratio of scheduled commercial bank by the end of September 2021? And the options are 8.2%, 6.9%, 5% and 5.33%. And the right answer is 6.9%. Moving to our next question. Who won Sahitya Akademi Award 2021 for English language category? The options are Daya Prakash Sinha, D.S. Nagabhushan, Namita Gokhale and Khalid Hussain. And the right answer is Namita Gokhale. Moving to our next question. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated project worth rupees 17,500 crores in which state? And the options are Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And the right answer is Uttarakhand. Moving to our next question. In its latest report, ICRA rating agency expects India to grow at what percentage in final year 2022-23? And the options are 9%, 8.6%, 5.3% and 6.9%. And the right answer is 9%. तो गाइस ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे हमारे 1 जनवरी के. अब हम लोग 2 जनवरी के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे. तो हमारा 2 जनवरी का फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया CCI हैज़ गिवन इट्स अप्रूवल फॉर वर्ल्ड वंस एक्विजिशन ऑफ 96.42% स्टेक इन विच पावर कंपनी? The options are Delegate Power Limited, Jindal Power Limited, Power Grid Corporation of India and Adani Power Limited. And the right answer is Jindal Power Limited. Moving to our next question. SBI has partnered with the which payment network of tokenism cards? The options are PhonePe, CCA Avenue, Paytm and InstaMozo. And the right answer is Paytm. Moving to our next question. Which country has acquired 100% stake in Alice India and Green Investments? And the options are Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Tata Consultancy and Amdocs. And the right answer is Tech Mahindra. Moving to our next question. Which player became the first Indian to qualify for second Winter Olympics event? And the options are Jagdish Singh, Shiva Keshavan, Arif Khan and Nadeem Iqbal. And the right answer is Arif Khan. Moving to our next question. An additional central assistance was approved by a high-level committee to 6 states under the National Disaster Response Fund. What is the outlay for the assistance in INR? And the options are 500 crores, 3063 crores, 468 crores and 2063 crores. And the right answer is 3063 crores. Moving to our next question. Which cricket team became the first Asian team to win a test match at Centurion in South Africa? And the options are Bangladesh, India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And the right answer is option B, India. Let's see our next question. Which bank has announced to acquire 9.95% stake in GIFT IFSC based market infrastructure institution India International Clearing Corporation? and the options are Axis, SBI, PNB and HDFC. And the right answer is option B, SBI. Which of the following is not a systematically important insurancer in 2022? यहाँ पे इंश्योरेंसर की स्पेलिंग गलत है और इस क्वेश्चन के जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं वो है हमारे पास लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन, न्यू इंडिया इंश्योरेंस एंड यूनाइटेड इंडिया इंश्योरेंस. एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज यूनाइटेड इंडिया इंश्योरेंस. Wicketkeeper Quinton de Kock, who recently announced his retirement from Test cricket, is from which country? The options are England, Australia, South Africa and New Zealand. And the right answer is South Africa. Moving to our next question. Which of the following institute has topped the Atal ranking of institution on innovation achievement 2021? The options are IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi and IISSC. And the right answer is IIT Madras. Which of the following countries launched Simorgh Space Launch Vehicle SLV? And the options are Iran, Israel, China and Russia. And the right answer is Iran. Moving to our next question. The government of Jharkhand has signed MOU with the institute to empower the state's forest economy. And the options are IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, XLRI Jamshedpur, ISB Hyderabad. And the right answer is ISB Hyderabad. Moving to our next question. Which bank in India's second largest point of sale acquiring bank? And the options are SBI, Axis, HDFC and ICICI. And the right answer is Axis Bank. Renowned personality Betty White passed away recently. What she was famous for? Journalism, photography, acting and architecture. And the right answer is acting. Moving to our next question. Which renewable energy company of India has acquired UK based battery technology company Faradion for €100 million? And the options are Adani Green Energy Limited, Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited, Reliance New Energy Limited and Slojan Energy Limited. And the right answer is Reliance New Energy Limited. Name the indigenously developed high-speed expandable aerial target whose flight testing has been successfully conducted by DRDO recently. And the options are Abhyas, Arambh, Aditya and Agni. And the right answer is Abhyas. Moving to our next question. The Turnover Wizard, Survivor of Thousands is autobiography of whom? M. Venkatesh Naidu, Arup Roy Chaudhary, Shubhangini Swarup and Namita Gokhale. And the right answer is Arup Roy Chaudhary. EIXM Bank has extended $40 million line of credit to which country? The options are Philippines, Comoros, Maldives and Tongolese Republic. And the right answer is Tongolese Republic. Which state has topped the composite ranking in the Good Governance Index GGI 2021? The options are Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. And the right answer is Gujarat. तो गाइज अब हम लोग 3 जनवरी के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करना शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं अपना पहला क्वेश्चन 3 जनवरी का. Recently, which of the following has been declared as an essential commodity by the central government? And the options are lithium battery, soya meal, psyllium husk and chocolate. And the right answer is soya meal. Let's see our next question. Which is the first state to launch digital life certificate system for prisoners of India? The options are Odisha, Karnataka, Gujarat or Rajasthan. And the right answer is Odisha. Moving to our next question. Digital books Innovation of You and the Igneous Thinkers are released by the organization or by which organization? The options are UNEP, Niti Aayog, World Bank and Gallup World Poll. And the right answer is Niti Aayog. Moving to our next question. Which bank has signed a MOU with Shazwing Setter India to offer customized financial solution? And the options are Yes Bank, SBI, Federal Bank and Axis Bank. And the right answer is Federal Bank. Moving to our next question. At which holy Indian shrine a stampede caused death of 12th pilgrims on 1st January 2022? And the options are Vaishno Devi Jammu and Kashmir, Ajmer Sharif Rajasthan, Trimula Tirupati Andhra Pradesh and Jagannath Temple Odisha. And the right answer is Vaishno Devi Jammu and Kashmir. Let's see our next question. Who has been the new chairman of Chief Executive Officer of Railway Board? And the options are Vinay Kumar Yadav, Sunit Sharma, VK Tripathi and Rajiv Ahuja. And the right answer is VK Tripathi. Moving to our next question. Who will be head of CB Restructured Advisory Committee on Market Data? And the options are G. Mahalingam, MS Saho, Madhvi Puri Bush and Nitin Kamath. And the right answer is MS Saho. Moving to our next question. Who is appointed as India's High Commissioner to Republic of Barbados? And the options are Vikram Misri, Sanjeev Ranjan, Ramkaran Verma and S. Balacharan. And the right answer is S. Balachandran. Moving to our next question. Who has been named as new Director General of India Coast Guard? And the options are Virendra Singh Pathania, Ajay Mathur, N. Vindhur Reddy, Jaideep Bhatnagar. And the right answer is Virendra Singh Pathania. Moving to our next question. Which shipyard has built first electric boat for Kochi Metro Rail Limited? And the options are Majgaon Dock Limited, Hindustan Shipyard Limited, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers and Cochin Shipyard Limited. And the right answer is Cochin Shipyard Limited. Moving to our next question. PM Modi led foundation stone to Major Dhyan Chand Sport University, where it is located. And the options are Meerut, Kanpur, Mohali or Lucknow. And the right answer is Meerut. Moving to our next question. Which Indian personal care company became first unicorn company in 2022? And the options are Hanosa Consumers, Procter & Gamble, Godrej Consumer Product Limited and Marico. And the right answer is Hanosa Consumers. Moving to our next question. What was the GST revenue collection in December 21? And the options are 1.2 lakh crores, option B 22,578 crores, option C 28,658 crores or option D 9,389 crores. And the right answer is 1.29 lakh crores. Moving to our next question. What is the name of 100-day reading campaign launched by Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan? And the options are Padhe Bharat, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Nipun Bharat or option D Student and Teacher Holistic Advancement through Quality Education. And the right answer is Padhe Bharat. Moving to our next question. Who is nominated for prestigious Rochelle Hoy Flint Trophy for ICC Women's Cricket of Year 2021 award? And the options are Smriti Mandhana, Mithali Raj, Harmanpreet Kaur or Corlett Edwards. And the right answer is Smriti Mandhana. Let's see our next question. Recently, in which of the following cities 46th meeting of GST Council has been held under the chairmanship of the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman? And the options are Ayodhya, Varanasi, Lucknow or New Delhi. And the right answer is New Delhi. Moving to our next question. Who has joined Bank of Maharashtra as Executive Director? The options are Ashish Pandey, A.K. Goyal, V.R. Iyer or S.N. Panse. And the right answer is Ashish Pandey. Moving to our next question. Which High Court has become India's first paperless High Court? And the options are Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra or Rajasthan. And the right answer is Kerala. Moving to our next question. Who launched the India Semiconductor Mission in India? The options are Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah or Ashwani Vaishnav. And the right answer is Ashwani Vaishnav. तो गाइस हम लोगों ने 3 जनवरी तक की क्वेश्चंस को पूरी तरीके से कंप्लीट कर लिया है। अब हम लोग चलते हैं 4 जनवरी के क्वेश्चंस पे। क्वेश्चंस को देखने से पहले मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर अभी तक कि आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो गाइस मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिए अगर आपको मेरे चैनल का कंटेंट अच्छा लग रहा है तो, और साथ में वीडियो को लाइक करके कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए कि आपको मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा है। और अगर आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेते हैं तो आपको मेरी आने वाली नेक्स्ट वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा, जिससे आप लोग उस वीडियो को तुरंत देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस चैनल पे आप लोगों को जो भी कंटेंट मिलेगा वो बेस्ट ही कंटेंट मिलेगा जो आपके एग्ज़ाम में और आपकी प्रिपरेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा। क्योंकि गाइस अगर आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक करके कमेंट करते रहेंगे तो हम लोग भी मोटिवेट होते रहेंगे और अच्छी वीडियो लाने की कोशिश करते रहेंगे, अपने आप को हम लोग भी इम्प्रूव करते रहेंगे। जैसे आप लोग अपनी जो भी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो उसको डेली इंप्रूव ही कर रहे होगे, तो वैसे हम लोग भी कोशिश करेंगे कि हम लोग भी अपने आप को और इम्प्रूव करके और अच्छा कंटेंट लाएं आप लोगों के लिए। तो वापस से आ जाते हैं अब हम लोग अपने क्वेश्चंस पे और देखते हैं 4 जनवरी का फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्री हैज वॉन द अंडर 19 एशिया कप 2021? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर श्रीलंका, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान। एंड द राइट आंसर इज इंडिया। मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। World's largest metro rail is opened in which of the following cities? And the options are New Delhi, Singapore City, Shanghai or Tokyo. And the right answer is Shanghai. Which country launched huge Inmarsat 6F1 communication satellite into orbit? And the options are Japan, South Korea, UAE or Bangladesh. And the right answer is Japan. Moving to our next question. KSLV second Nuri rocket is first indigenous space launch vehicle of which of the given countries? And the options are South Korea, Israel, UAE or Bangladesh. And the right answer is South Korea. Moving to our next question. Which bank is the only authorized institution to sell 19th tranche of electoral bonds? And the options are RBI, SBI Bank, Bank of Maharashtra or NABARD. And the right answer is SBI Bank. Let's see our next question. Begonia gigantica, the largest specimen of begonia species, has been recently found in which region? And the options are Tibet, Japan, India or Afghanistan. And the right answer is Tibet. Moving to our next question. Which Indian state recorded the highest tiger death in 2021? And the options are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat or Maharashtra. And the right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Moving to our next question. World's largest single transfer of 30 white rhinos took place from South Africa to which of the following countries? And the options are Rwanda, Kenya, Togolese or Somalia. And the option A is the right answer, Rwanda. Moving to our next question. Which Asian country has recently released its national security policy? And the options are India, Thailand, China or Pakistan. And the right answer is option D, Pakistan. Moving to our next question. Which Indian state has recorded 100% first dose vaccination for COVID-19? And the options are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. And the right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Moving to our next question. Tequila fish, which was declared extinct, has been reintroduced in which country? The options are Chile, Russia, Indonesia and Mexico. And the right answer is option D, Mexico. Moving to our next question. Which institution released Women and Girls Left Behind? Glaring Gaps in Pandemic Responses Report. And the options are UN Women, World Bank, World Economic Forum or Niti Aayog. And the right answer is UN Women. Moving to our next question. Which Indian pace bowler achieved 200 test wickets milestone? And the options are Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, Ravindra Jadeja or Ravichandran Ashwin. The right answer is Mohammad Shami. Moving to our next question. The Indian Army has set up quantum computing laboratory and center of artificial intelligence AI in which of the following cities? The options are Bhopal, Indore, Ujjain or Rajgarh. The right answer is Indore. Moving to our next question. Which organization released report on trend and progress of banking in India 2021? And the options are Niti Aayog, World Bank, National Statistics Office and option D Reserve Bank of India. And the right answer is Reserve Bank of India. Moving to our next question. World Braille Day is celebrated every year on which of the following dates? The options are 3 January, 4 January, 8 January or 31st December. And the right answer is 4th January. Moving to our next question. Who took over the Executive Chief Officer CEO of the Vistara airline? The options are Leslie Thang, Vinod Kannan, V.S. Pathania and Leena Nair. And the right answer is Vinod Kannan. Moving to our next question. Who is appointed as a new Chief Secretary of Bihar? The options are Amir Subhani, Tripurari Sharan, Krishna Bewada और संजय कुमार सिंह. एंड द राइट आंसर इज आमिर सुबहानी. सो गाइस, अब हम लोग मूव करते हैं अपने 5 जनवरी के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पे. द क्वेश्चन इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हैज लॉन्च्ड 22 डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स वर्थ रुपीज 48 crores in which of the following states? And the options are Maharashtra, Manipur, Assam or Goa. And the right answer is Manipur. Moving to our next question. Which country has taken over a presidency of the Council of European Union which effect from January 1, 2022? And the options are UK, Germany, France or Czech Republic. And the right answer is option C, France. Moving to our next question. Who is the chairman of Energy Transition Advisory Committee ETAC set up by Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gases? And the options are Rajesh Verma, Rajiv Maharishi, JK Pillai or Tarun Kapoor. And the right answer is Tarun Kapoor. Moving to our next question. Paisabazaar has tied up with which of the bank to offer pre-qualified program for unsecured loans? And the options are Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank or SBI Bank. And the right answer is Axis Bank. Moving to our next question. Mohammad Hussain Rubal, who was suspended on the charges of corruption, was the Prime Minister of which country? Rwanda, Uganda, Sudan or Somalia? And the right answer is Somalia. Which payment bank has received approval from Reserve Bank India for international remittance business under the Money Transfer Service Scheme MTSS? And the options are Indian Post Payment Bank, Fino Payment Bank, Airtel Payment Bank or Jio Payment Bank. And the right answer is Fino Payment Bank. Moving to our next question. Biocom Biologics Limited has announced mergers with which of the following pharmaceutical company? And the options are Covishield Technologies Private Limited, Bharat Biotech Biological or Zydus Candela. And the option is Covishield Technology Private Limited. Moving to our next question. Who has been appointed as ONGC's first woman chairman and managing director? And the options are Leena Nair, Alka Mittal, Madhabipuri Bush or Soma Mundol? And the right answer is Alka Mittal. Moving to our next question. Prime Minister Abdullah Hamdok of which of the African country has announced his resignation? The options are Rwanda, Sudan, Ethiopia or Eritrea. And the right answer is Sudan. Moving to our next question. Which state is under the Swachh Bharat Mission Grameen Phase 2nd program with highest number of open defecation free ODF village? And the options are Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Telangana or Karnataka. And the right answer is Telangana. Moving to our next question. New COVID-19 variant IHU is discovered in which of the following country? The options are Italy, Germany, France or South Africa. And the right answer is France. Moving to our next question. PM Modi will lay foundation stone to project worth over 42,500 crores in which of the given states? And the right answer is, the options are Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh or Bihar. And the right answer is Punjab. Moving to our next question. Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the new integrated terminal building at Maharaja Veer Bikram Airport in which state? And the options are Manipur, Tripura, Jharkhand or Punjab. And the right answer is Tripura. Moving to our next question. Which state government is developing the Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana Research Center? And the options are Bihar, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh or Punjab. And the right answer is Punjab. Moving to our next question. PM launches unified logo and portal developed by the Bureau of Indian Standard BIS for following products. The options are fishy products, milk products, food grains or meat products. And the right answer is milk products. Moving to our next question. All-rounder Mohammad Hafiz announces retirement from international cricket. He is from which country? And the options are Zimbabwe, Bangladesh, Pakistan or Afghanistan. And the right answer is Pakistan. Moving to our next question. DRDO celebrated its 64th Foundation Day on which of the following dates? And the options are 1st January, 4th January, 31st December or 29th December. And the right answer is 1st January. Moving to our next question. Which state topped in GST calculation or collection of rupees 4,080.14 crore during December 2021? And the options are Maharashtra, Odisha, Gujarat or Karnataka. And the right answer is Odisha. Moving to our next question. India's first water taxi service is set to launch in which of the following state? And the options are Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. The right answer is Maharashtra. Moving to our next question. Which country has created the world's first dual mode vehicle DMV that can run on both road and rail tracks? And the options are USA, Finland, Japan or China. And the right answer is Japan. Let's see the current affairs of the 6th January. Which union ministry has set up 6 task force on 6G technology? The options are Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. And the right answer is Ministry of Communication. Moving to our next question. National Birthday is celebrated on which of the following date of every year? The options are 4th January, 5th January, 2nd January or 7th January. And the right answer of this question is 5th January. Moving to our next question. Which country joined International Solar Alliance 102nd member as 102nd member? The options are Antigua and Barbuda, USA, Sweden or Israel. And the right answer is Antigua and Bermuda. Moving to our next question. Smile scheme, support for marginalized individuals for livelihood and enterprise, has been introduced by which ministry? And the options are Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Women and Child Development or Ministry of Education? And the right answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Moving to our next question. What's the name of country's first ever cultural survey of India's village through mobile phones? And the options are सेवा भोज, मेरा गांव मेरी धरोहर, आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव, and the last option is प्रशासन गांव की ओर. And the right answer is मेरा गांव मेरी धरोहर. Moving to our next question. Which of the following bank is not among the RBI's 2021 domestic systematically important banks? And the options are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Punjab National Bank or State Bank of India. And the right answer of this question is Punjab National Bank. Moving to our next question. Which company has become world first company to hit 3 trillion market cap? And the options are Apple, Microsoft, TikTok or Facebook. And the right answer is Apple. Moving to our next question. Padma Shri Award Sidhutai Satpal passed away recently. Who was she? Actor, journalist, photographer or social worker? And the right answer is social worker. Which city is set to get India's first hilly hub with all aviation facilities? And the options are Pathankot, Jamnagar, Jodhpur or Gurugram. And the right answer is Gurugram. Moving to our next question. World first recycling mall. Rituna Mall in which country? And the options are Germany, Sweden, Finland or Norway. And the right answer of this question is Sweden. Moving to our next question. India has signed a deal to develop Trikomali oil tank farm with which country? And the options are Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan or China. And the right answer of this question is Sri Lanka. Moving to our next question. ICMR has approved an indigenous kit of Omnisure to detect Omicron and all other reported variants of SARS-CoV-2. Which institute manufactured this kit? And the options are IIT Madras, Tata Medical and Diagnostics, CSIR Institute, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine or CAP Bio. And the right answer of this question is Tata Medical and Diagnostics. Moving to our next question. Who launched National Educational Alliance for Technology NEET 3.0, a single platform to provide the best developed education tech solution and courses to students? And the option of this question are Dharmendra Pradhan, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi or Piyush Goyal. And the right answer of this question is Dharmendra Pradhan. Moving to our next question. Which country is building a bridge on Pangong Tso Lake? And the options of these questions are India, Bhutan, China or Nepal. And the right answer of this question is China. Moving to our next question. India is hosting world's largest multilateral Milan exercise in 2022 in which city? The options of these questions are Cochin, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai or Port Blair. And the right answer of this question is Visakhapatnam. Moving to our next question. Recently, 2 new planet species named Firm Bristylis sunili and Neonortix paraboid discovered in Western Ghats in which state? And the options of these questions are Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka or Gujarat. And the right answer of this question is Kerala. Moving to our next question. Who is the first only woman member of 31st member panel to examine bill on legal age of marriage? And the options of these questions are Jharna Das, Smriti Irani, Priyanka Chaturvedi or Sushmita Dev. And the right answer of this question is Sushmita Dev. Moving to our next question. Which ministry has drafted the National Air Sports Policy NASP to promote country's air sports sector? And the options are Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs or Ministry of Defense. And the right answer of this question is Ministry of Civil Aviation. सो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों ने 6 जनवरी के सारे करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कर लिया है. अब हम लोग देखते हैं 7 जनवरी के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग has been characterized as scheduled bank by Reserve Bank of India? And the options are AU Small Finance Bank, Airtel Payment Bank, Jio Payment Bank, or NSDL Payment Bank. And the right answer of this question is Airtel Payment Bank. Moving to our next question. United Nations General Assembly has declared 2022 as the International Year of. The options are creative economy and sustainable development. Option B, big scale development. Option C, artisanal fisheries and aquaculture. Or option D, basic science for sustainable development. And the right answer of this question is artisanal fisheries and aquaculture. Moving to our next question. In the 19th meeting of National Tiger Conservation Authority NTCA 5-year action plan to reintroduce which animal is proposed? And the options are rhino, hyena, hippopotamus, or cheetah. And the right answer of this question is cheetah. Moving to our next question. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sanggrahalaya is set to complete its 100 years in January 2022. Where is it located? The options are Pune, Nasik, Mumbai, or Ahmednagar. And the right answer of this question is Mumbai. Moving to our next question. Which company has launched India's first cryptocurrency index IC15? And the options are CryptoWire, Coins DCX, S&P Dow Jones Indices, or Crypto 10 Index. And the right answer of this question is CryptoWire. Moving to our next question. What is the theme of National Science Day 2022? And the options are Integrated Approach in S&T for Sustainable Future. Option B, Ocean Atmosphere Exchange. Option C, Future of STI Impact and Education Skills. Or option D, Planetary Habitats Searching for the Requirement of Lives. And the right answer of this question is Integrated Approach for S&T for Sustainable Future. Moving to our next question. Who inaugurated Kalpana Chawla Center for Research in Space Science and Technology KCCRSST at Chandigarh University? And the options of these questions are Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, or Dharmendra Pradhan. And the right answer of this question is Rajnath Singh. Moving to our next question. Who became first Indian origin woman to trek solo to South Pole? And the options are Harpreet Chandi, Ritu Garg, Anusha Shah, or Chitra Srinivasan. And the right answer of this question is Harpreet Chandi. यहाँ पे गाइस थोड़ी सी टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है. Moving to our next question. Smart Cities and Academia Towards Action and Research SAAR program has been launched by which ministry? And the options are Ministry of Education, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, or Ministry of Women and Cultural Welfare, or Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. And the right answer of this question is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Moving to our next question. Who has been appointed President of US-India Business Council? The options of these questions are Vedant Patel, Atul Kashyap, Neha Gupta, Vidhur Sharma. And the right answer of this question is Atul Kashyap. Moving to our next question. Which legislative assembly has passed an amendment bill recognizing Takht Damdama Sahib as 5th Takht of 6? And the options of these questions are Bihar, Delhi, Uttarakhand, or Rajasthan. And the right answer of this question is Delhi. Central government has accorded in principle approval of the site of Jeetapur in Maharashtra for setting up 6 nuclear power reactors in technical cooperations with France. What will be the total capacity of this largest nuclear power generating site? And the options of these questions are 1000 megawatt, 8500 megawatt, or 9900 megawatt, or 10,000 megawatt. And the right answer of this question is 9900 megawatt. Moving to our next question. Who has been appointed as the executive director of RBI? And the options are Deepak Kumar, AK Chaudhary, both A or B, or option D, Vishwar Ahuja. And the right answer of this question is A and B. Moving to our next question. Which bank will invest $20 million in payment solution provider Pine Labs? And the option of these questions are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank or Bandhan Bank. And the right answer of the question is SBI Bank. Moving to our next question. Which insurance company has launched awareness campaign? बहाने छोड़ो टैक्स बचाओ. And the options of these questions are SBI General Insurance, Edelweiss General Insurance Corporation Limited, the Oriental Insurance Corporation Limited, and the last option is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Corporation Limited. And the right answer of this question is SBI General Insurance. Moving to our next question. Which Indian state became the first LPG enable and smoke free state? And the option of these questions are Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana or Uttar Pradesh. And the right answer of this question is Himachal Pradesh. Moving to our next question. What is the increased ceiling transaction limit of SBI Bank free online IMPS transactions? And the options are 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh or 10 lakh. And the right answer of this question is 5 lakh rupees. Moving to our next question. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has given green signal to set up Tiger Safari and Rescue Center in Chandrapur in which state? The options are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh or Karnataka. And the right answer of this question is Maharashtra. Moving to our next question. Which bank has launched the facility to pay custom duty online by mobile app InstaBiz? And the options are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank or Bandhan Bank. And the right answer of this question is ICICI Bank. So friends, हम लोगों ने 7 जनवरी के भी करंट अफेयर्स को कंप्लीट कर लिया है. अब हम लोग देखते हैं 8 जनवरी के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस को. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ 8 जनवरी. United Nations World Programme Food WFP in India has partnered with the Akshay Patra Foundation to enhance the effectiveness of which scheme? And the options of these questions are Indra Rasoi Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman, PM Poshan Shakti Scheme, Affordable Nutrition and Nourishment Assistance ANNA Yojana, और लास्ट ऑप्शन इज बेलवाड़ी न्यूट्रिशन प्रोग्राम. एंड द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी प्रधानमंत्री पोषण शक्ति निर्माण और पीएम पोषण स्कीम. मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच कंपनी हैज इन्वेस्टेड $20 million in Bengaluru based quick commerce players Dunzo for a 25.8% stake? And the options of these questions are V-Mart Retail Limited, Shoppers Stop Limited, Reliance Retail or Future Enterprises Limited. And the right answer of this question is Reliance Retail. Moving to our next question. Which festival marks the New Year celebration of Sikkim state? And the options are option A Losang or Namsong, option B Losar, option C Harela or option D Bhagigyo Bishu. And the right answer of this question is Losang or Namsong. Moving to our next question. What's the name of anti-submarine warfare exercise conducted by 6 Indo-Pacific nations? India, the US, Australia, Canada, Japan and the Korea. And the options of these questions are Sea Dragon, Malabar, option C Milan or option D Yuddh Abhyas. And the right answer of this question is Sea Dragon. Moving to our next question. Where is the 25th National Youth Festival 2022 being held from 12th January to 16th January 2022? And the option of these questions are Haryana, Gujarat, Pondicherry or Karnataka. And the right answer of this question is Pondicherry. Moving to our next question. Union Minister Jitendra Singh inaugurated India's first rock museum in which city? And the option of these questions are option A Mumbai, option B Hyderabad, option C Ratnagiri and option D Kolkata. And the right answer of this question is Hyderabad. Moving to our next question. Who is newly appointed Secretary General and Shanghai Cooperation Organization? And the options of these questions are: option A, Vladimir Norov; option B, Yerik Sersebek; option C, Zhang Ming; and option D, KV Kamath. And the right answer if this question is Zhang Ming. Moving to our next question. What is the approved outlay of Green Energy Corridor Phase 2nd? And the option of these questions are: option A, 12,031 crores; option B, 8,000 crores; option C, 10,000 crores; and option D, 15,000 crores. And the right answer of this question is 12,031 crores. Moving to our next question. Aruj Power has commissioned the final 100 megawatt phase of a 600 megawatt solar project in which city? And the options are: option A, Mohali; option B, Bikaner; option C, Jodhpur; and option D, Jamnagar. And the right answer of this question is option B, Bikaner. Moving to our next question. Which ministry has framed new rules for disposal of fly ash of thermal power plants? And the right answer of this question is, the options are: Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change; option B, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers; option C, Ministry of Coals; and option D, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. And the right answer of this question is a Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Moving to our next question. Which ministry will launch Brand India campaign to boost exports? And the options are: Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers, Ministry of Coal, or option D, Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. And the right answer of this question is Ministry of Commerce. Moving to our next question. India has signed MOU with Nepal for the construction of bridge over Mahakali River. It will connect which of the following locations in India with Nepal? And the options are: option A, Pitrohagarh; option B, Didihat; option C, Darchula; and option D, Gorakhpur. And the right answer of this question is Darchula. Moving to our next question. Which actress will play the role of former cricket team captain Jhulan Goswami in the biopic film Chakda Express? And the options are: options A, Anushka Sharma; option B, Kangana Ranaut; option C, Priyanka Chopra; and option D, Deepika Padukone. And the right answer of this question is Anushka Sharma. Moving to our next question. 6 January is celebrated as Generalist Day in Maharashtra in remembrance of: option A, Bal Shastri Jambekar; option B, Padrinath Sawant; option C, Hanumant Moreshwar; and option D, Nana Saheb Parulekar. And the right answer of this question is Bal Shastri Jambekar. Moving to our next question. Which subsidiary of NPCI was launched Unified Payment Management System UPMS to simplify bill payments? And the options are: Aadhaar Enabled Payment System, Check Transaction System CTS, NPCI International Payment Limited NIPL, or NPCI Bharat Bill Payment Limited NBBL. And the right answer of this question is NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited. Moving to our next question. NHPC has signed pact with Green Energy Development Corporation to set up India's largest floating solar power plant in which state? And the options are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Odisha, or Maharashtra. And the right answer of this question is Odisha. Moving to our next question. Padma Shri Award Neil Nongkingri passed away recently. Who was he? Option A, actor; option B, musician; option C, director; or option D, social worker. And the right answer of this question is option B, musician. Moving to our next question. World Day of War Offense is observed by which of the following on 6th January every year? The options are UNICEF, जिसको हम लोग बोल देते हैं यूनाइटेड नेशन चिल्ड्रंस फंड; ऑप्शन बी, यूनाइटेड नेशन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ डिसआर्मामेंट रिसर्च; ऑप्शन सी, यूनाइटेड नेशन हाई कमिश्नर फॉर रिफ्यूजीज; और ऑप्शन डी, यूनाइटेड नेशन ह्यूमन राइट काउंसिल, और वी कैन से UNHRC. And the right answer of this question is UNICEF, or we can say United Nations Children's Fund. Moving to our next question. Which company has acquired Israeli cybersecurity setup Simplify in a deal worth $500 million? And the options are Amazon, Google, Apple or Microsoft. And the right answer of this question is option B, Google. तो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों ने 8 जनवरी के भी क्वेश्चंस को कंप्लीट कर लिया है और अब हम 9 जनवरी के क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन कीप प्रिपेयरिंग एंड बी मोटिवेटेड. And thank you for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.